Come up in a line, no, sir. One guy, me had, you know. Me so you move so strong, Lord have mercy. What you want, sir? Me ain't bag talking. Alright, Miss, can I have a bagel with a cappuccino, please? We don't have that, sir. You mean we don't have that? Sir, he done. You deaf? So, Miss, we don't have them. Me hungry, no, man. Look on the menu, no, man. You don't have your eyes, sir. Butter with the Bula, minty, fever, grass tea. Miss, I want fee menu, miss. Welcome to the menu. They look normal to you? Look pretty to me. Miss, since when StarBucks sell Bula and syrup refresher, just come and work, make my money, do me here and gam ya. Whatever problem you have, go talk to the manager about that. What you know? So sorry, you buy something or what? Stop wasting my time. I can't believe this. No bagel or no cappuccino, bro. Sorry, come on, no, man. Alright, give me the minty and a Bula, yeah, man. Alright, that gonna be $15. Alright. We not take yard, sir. What? Sir, I'll put the money or go down in a hole, sir. Cash we take, sir. Cash we take. But I don't got no cash on me, though. Am I business that? Go find the money. Man. Hey, sir, can I borrow $15 cash real quick? I'll cash up it back to you. No problem, man. Thanks, man. Here you go. Alright. Go by this, sir, and wait. Alright. Keisha knows the gas done do, so no more tea. Gas done? Call gas pro and tell him what I go on. Hello, gas pro? Yo, brother, me get cross it.
We're going to need gas ASAP, okay? We're going to need gas ASAP. StarBucks call. StarBucks.
Sir, I want tea. You
Yes,
can't
we're
get
going to
gas,
need gas ASAP.
yeah, yeah. Yo, me hungry. Sir, just wait no, man. Okay, sir, here you go. Bula and minty. Alright. Thank you, thank you. Yo, my tea's a little fresh. Can I get more sugar, please? Okay, no problem. Hi. No give no more sugar. No give no more sugar. No give no more sugar. No. What? One put of sugar left in the cupboard. No. Oh God, Mr. Tea fresh. Mr. Tea fresh. You left no more sugar. Other people ain't no sugar too. Oh, sure, sir.